Hi everyone. I hope the previous video of direct speech into indirect speech is clear to all. So the next video is here. It is rules for changing interrogative sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. When the reporting verb say is changed into ask, wonder, etc. Whenever we have say in direct speech, in interrogative sentence, it will change into ask, inquire, wonder, etc. The subject is placed before the verb. The question mark is replaced with full stop. All the general rules for the change of pronouns, tenses, etc. are applicable. The question that elicits a yes or no response, if or whatever, is used after the reporting verb. Whenever we answer a question with yes or no in direct speech, it will use if or whatever in the indirect speech. The interrogative sentences beginning with the question word who, whom, whose, what, which, etc. If or whether is not used, the given question word itself is retained in indirect speech also. That is never used to introduce indirect question. So remember this thing, that is never used to introduce indirect question. For example, he said to me, "Do you need a lift?" Here he is asking me, "Do I need a lift?" Then it will change. He asked me, said to me. Here he is asking me, so I use ask here. He asked me if, said to me will change into I. I needed, need, the corresponding tense will change, a lift. He asked me if I needed a lift, full stop. So here is asking a question, so I use ask here. If I needed a lift, the full question mark will change into full stop and the corresponding tense will also change. So whenever we want to change interrogative sentences, verb say is changed into ask, inquire, wonder, etc. The subject is placed before the verb. Question mark is replaced with full stop. So, rules for changing imperative sentences. Whenever we have imperative sentences in direct speech, it will change into indirect speech with the following rules. The reporting verb say is changed into a verb of command or request, such as order, ask, beg, urge, remind, according to the speaker's tone. अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्पीकर्स टोन, जिस तरह के स्पीकर की टोन होगी उसी तरह हम वो वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे. अगर स्पीकर हमें कमांड दे रहा है तो हम उसको ऑर्डर कहेंगे, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है तो आस्क या बेग कहेंगे, नॉर्मली बोल रहा है तो हम उसको रिमाइंड कहेंगे. सो वी विल यूज स्पीकर टोन हियर टू यूज इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच दीज वर्ड्स. The infinitive is to plus verb is used in indirect commands and requests. In the sentence beginning with let, the reporting verb is changed into proposed or suggested. In place of infinitive, should plus verb is used. Whenever we have sentences that is beginning with left, the reporting verb will change into proposed or suggested. All the rules are followed as usual. The tenses rules are follows, pronouns and etc. For example, the officer said to driver, "Be careful." Here the officer is saying to driver to be careful. Officer driver को कह रहा है कि ध्यान से रहें. The officer told the driver, कह रहा है, वो बता रहा है उसे, तो हम यहाँ यूज़ करेंगे the officer told the driver to be careful. Example next. He said, "Let us try the prawn curry." Here the sentence is starting with let, so we will use proposed or suggested. He suggested, here he is suggesting me. He suggested that they should try. He suggested that they should try the prawn curry. So whenever we have let in sentence, it will change into proposed or suggested indirect sentence. So this is the rules for imperative sentences. Then rules for changing exclamation sentences. The reporting verb is changed into explained, declared, wish, etc. according to the tone of speaker. स्पीकर किस तरह से बोल रहा है, स्पीकर कह रहा है, डिक्लेयर कर रहा है, विश कर रहा है, जिस तरह स्पीकर की टोन होगी उसी तरह हम रिपोर्टिव वर्ब जो है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में एक्सक्लेमेशन सेंटेंसेस में यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही सैड व्हाट अ डिलाइटफुल सनसेट. वहाँ पे वो कह रहा है कि क्या खूबसूरत सनसेट है क्या. सो ही इज एक्सक्लेमिंग दैट. He exclaimed that it was a delightful sunset. So, these are the rules for changing exclamation sentence, imperative sentences, and interrogative sentences. I hope these are clear. Thank you.